Hi, how are you? You want a quick chili paneer recipe? Then this is the one for you. It's a popular recipe that is enjoyed by almost everyone. You'll be able to make it in no time at all. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. The main ingredient paneer, cut into cubes or cuboids. Just add in some cornstarch or corn flour and some all-purpose flour and mix gently to coat the paneer pieces. Keep this aside. Green chillies cut into small pieces. You may remove the seeds or keep them. Garlic, this is about a teaspoon of garlic chopped into fine pieces. And celery. So for the celery you just need the stalk and not the leaves. Peel the stalk and chop them into very fine pieces. Capsicum, cut into square pieces. I am using shallots, so I have just cut them in half. If you are using onions, cut them in square pieces like the capsicum. Green chili sauce and some dark soy sauce. White pepper powder and salt. Ajinomoto or MSG, this is totally optional. Some corn flour. I'll add in some water and make slurry. That will be used to thicken the gravy. Mix it well and keep it aside. About half a teaspoon of sugar. Heat some oil in a pan. And fry the paneer pieces. Turn them over and just fry them till they get a light color on them. They look done. Just took about a couple of minutes. I'll just take them out. So I've just reduced the amount of oil that was there in the pan. We don't need as much oil. I'll just add in the garlic and the celery. Quickly toss it in. Add in the capsicum and the onions. Cook them briefly and add in the green chilies. Now green chilies you should add according to your taste. Give it a mix. Add in the sugar, the salt and pepper. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. The soy sauce and the chili sauce. Add in the paneer pieces. Give it a mix. Time to add in slurry. And just toss everything up. If you want it to be dry, then this much of slurry should be enough. However, if you want a gravy, then add in some more water. That looks done. So I'll just turn off the heat. To finish off, add in a bit of vinegar and give it a final mix. If you want, you could add in some ajinomoto or MSG to enhance the flavoring. That is purely optional. Serve it hot as an appetizer or a side dish. Try it with instant noodles sometime. You'll really like it.